Myself Shaktika. I completed my project title is Web-based network management of bridge database for structural health monitoring. Abstract. The web-based network management system or global service provider. It's like a social networking. It can be used to create public profile and create a list of users with whom to share connections. The proposed project used to check information on every bridges in the network. It can be used to view and add details to database, and it also used to for subscribed user to access relevant information about the bridge details. Existing system. It is a content management system. It cannot be useful for accessing the information from database, and also it cannot be used for several user to access at the same time. It cannot be efficient for giving relevant information. Proposed system. The proposed system used to monitoring every bridges in the network. It can be used for subscribed user to get the relevant information about the bridge details. It also used to access bridge details, documents and galleries, etc. System architecture. The system architecture has admin and user. The admin perform login, validate, view, insert, update data to database. The user must fill the registration form and then get the user ID and login. It can be used to log in the login form, and also user get information about the bridge details, documents, galleries, etc. Software and hardware requirements. In my project, I can be use front end of PHP, back end of MySQL. Modules. There are three modules: login and registration module, bridge detail module, search module. Login and registration module. It can be used to enter user ID and password. If the password and user ID is incorrect, the user cannot access the bridge details. The registration form used to create user ID and login for new user. Bridge detail module. The bridge detail module used to add details to the database and also view details to database in the web-based network. It allows the user to get information about bridges, documents and galleries, etc. Search model. The search model used to get more information about bridge details, galleries, documents, etc. It can be used for subscribed user to get relevant information about the bridges. Data flow diagram. The data flow diagram contains user and admin. The user and admin must fill the registration form and then get user ID and login password. If the user ID and login and used for admin to log in the form, get the bridge details, documents, galleries, and also add and view data to the database. Use case diagram. The use case diagram has two users, admin and username. The admin and username must fill the registration form and also log in, add data to database, view data to database, edit data to database, etc. Class diagram. The class diagram contains four classes: admin, database, view events, user. Admin. The admin has the following attributes: admin name, admin ID, password. The admin perform the following operations: add, view, update, edit, validate data to database. The database has the database name and also perform operations such as store and retrieve data to database. Sequence diagram. The sequence diagram has the following: username, registration form, login, password, view events, database. The user must fill the registration form and then get the user ID and password. It can be used to log in the login form, and then the user view the events such as bridge details, documents, etc. and also add and view data to database. Activity diagram. The activity diagram has admin and user. The admin and user must register the form and then log in, enter the password. If the password is valid or invalid, if it is valid means the user add to database, view data to database, edit data to database. Collaboration diagram. The collaboration diagram has user, registration form, login, database, view events, password. Entity relationship diagram. The entity relationship diagram has admin, user, database, registration form. The admin has name, admin ID, password. The user has name, password, user ID. The admin and user perform the both manage the data to database and also has a view events such as bridge details, documents, galleries, etc. Form design. First of all, I have to explain home page. The home page contains about us, gallery, contact and login. The about us page used to get information about structural health monitoring laboratory. The gallery page contains images of bridges. The contact us used to clarify the queries of users. The login form used to login purpose. The registration form create a new user ID and password. It has first name, last name, middle name, date of birth, username, email ID, password, etc. Bridge details. The bridge details used to view and add data to database. It contains bridge number, superstructure type, number of fan, clear fan, depth of grider, track type, sleeper type, etc. View more. The view more option used to get more details about bridges, documents, images, etc. Database for login page. It has username and password. It has a type of worker. Database for bridge details. The bridge details has bridge number, superstructure type, number of fan, clear fan, track type, sleeper type, etc. Database for registration form. It has username and password. It must be a type of worker. Conclusion of my project. Web-based technique support human decision making, learning and take action. It enables the researchers to gain access of relevant information on bridges. It can be used for monitoring the bridges in network. It has been user-friendly, interactive and the system is secured one.